This is the new LD series, the latest generation of dehumidifiers from woods, developed and manufactured in Sweden. This LD series is developed to be used as a clothing dryer in a laundry room, but also at the same time to dehumidify the entire basement at the same time. The difference between the traditional basement dehumidifier, the SW model, and the LD series is that the LD series has the air outlet on the top. You will maintain the same efficient dehumidification for the basement with the LD series, but with the difference that you have the air outlet on the top, which will reduce the drying time of the laundry to approximately 2 hours. So why the hurry? Well, since you can dry the laundry in about 2 hours, that's about the same amount of time it takes for the next program to be finished in your washing machine. In that way, you can always keep your laundry room neat and tidy. Since you can dry all types of laundry quick and efficiently, you can use the LD series instead of a tumble dryer or drying cabinet. The LD series comes in 2 different versions, one digital and one mechanical. To light up the display, press anywhere on the display. Then press the standby button to start the unit. The LD series has 4 different modes: the normal mode, fan mode, easy mode, and laundry mode. I will now run you through the different modes. In normal mode, you can choose your desired humidity level by pressing the water drop. Then you can select your desired humidity level. Now, the unit will start only when the humidity in the room is higher than your desired level. You can also choose fan speed, and you can choose between low and high fan speed. Now the unit will run only when the room humidity is higher than your desired level. After that, the unit will automatically shut off. Next mode is the fan mode. It will run exactly like in normal mode, where you can set your desired humidity level, but after you've reached your desired level of humidity, the fan will continue to run. Efficient when drying laundry. Here you can also select between low and high fan speed. Next mode is easy mode. Then you have a preset value of 50%. This is the target level where the compressor will run only when the humidity level is higher than 50%. And also, it will always run on low fan speed, so you can't adjust any of these levels. Next mode is laundry mode. In this mode, the compressor will run all the time, and also in high fan speed at all time. So you can choose a different humidity level or fan speed. To shut the unit off, press the standby button. Start the unit by turning the knob to max. Now the dehumidifier will run at all times. We recommend that you have 50% relative humidity in the room. The easiest way is to twist the knob 2 steps back. That's approximately 50% relative humidity. If you're uncertain of which humidity level you have in the room, you can buy a hygrometer from Woods, where you can easily see the exact humidity level in a room. Now you can adjust the humidity level by turning the knob. The LD series is equipped with an 11.4 liter water bucket, but also a hose connection, so you can easily connect a normal